happens when two engineers and long-term friends realize they share a love for handcrafted artisanal spirits with a penchant for zealous attention to detail and creative problem-solving. They build their own distillery. Nestled in the heart of downtown Greenville, South Carolina, New South Spirits is crafting spirits so smooth, they'll soothe the storms of your day. It all starts with the Master Distillation Engineer, using a proprietary process designed to blend traditional methods with innovative refinements to the stills and distilling process. Each ingredient is hand-selected and tested, resulting in spirits with natural ingredients, robust flavor profiles, and zero additives for non-creme liquors. Using a small batch processing approach, the distillation team can easily experiment with new recipe ideas, resulting in many of their most beloved spirits. Agave infused with local Reaper peppers? Madagascar vanilla bean rum? How about a smoky barrel-rested rum? Tried, tested, customer very much approved. Artisanal, small batch spirits are their specialty. New South Spirits in-house distillation is their superpower. Come in from the storm and experience the unique blend of tradition and innovation at New South Spirits. Locally owned, passionately crafted, and proudly Greenville.